So step 7 says change the bar chart type. Click the bar chart object. So there we go. We click it. Click the change chart type button. So Chart Tools Design tab. Change chart type. Click the recommended charts. Choose clustered column, which I think is this guy right here. Yep, clustered column. And hit OK. All right, so I changed that around. So step 8 says filter the source data. Click the column chart object. Okay, so we got that. Click the chart filters button in the top right corner of the chart. So I think that's that. Yep, chart filters. Deselect the January, February, and March boxes. January, February, and March. And apply. And then click the button to close the pane. That's steps 7 and 8.